often referred to the abode of clouds, captivates with its unparalleled natural beauty. Nestled within its uncharted hills are hidden wonders that unfold as one ventures off the beaten path. Remote villages, seemingly untouched by time, dot the landscape, each exuding a unique charm. Misty clouds through lush green valleys, mesmerizing blend of pristine landscapes,
kindly be present for the launch.
Trekking Camp by the Meghalaya Tourism. Log in with your email ID. OTP will be sent to your email ID for verification. Enter the OTP for verification. Create your profile with your name, mobile number and other details. Book treks and send your inquiries in simple steps.
Let's give in a warm applause as this book is being released. Thank you. Also, the memento is for the Honorable Minister of the Department. Also, as well as these special mementos, let's give him a warm applause. Thank you so much, Honor. And Pinskembor Wanyang. May I now request the Honorable Minister of Tourism, Bapo Lingdo, to kindly felicitate the next 5 individuals. Akash, Andrew G. Marwin, Grace Marbanyang,